Alrighty, guys. Yes, your boy out of his norm. Okay, I'm trim guy today. Y'all know we don't specialize anyway. Whatever's on the ticket, we gotta fix it. Now y'all remember the blue Charger that got stolen? Well, actually, it didn't get stolen. Some vandalism just broke in the window. They couldn't start the car. Remember I put that video out last week? Now what I want to know, basically, well, based off this hood, it has to have, yeah. Okay, 6'4". This is a stolen recovery, guys. Yes, this customer went on a trip, a shopping spree somewhere. Can't remember what place she went to. But anyway, when she came out, somebody had tried to attempt, yeah, $392, to steal her car. Now, here's how they got in it. You have to find a way, for the thieves, you have to find a way to get in it first, right? You don't have a key, you go to plan B. I guess plan B is to simply bust out the window. Okay, so yeah, this whole glass is gone. I think they didn't clean up some of the glass, but yeah, it was full of glass in here earlier. So they got in. Now here's the thing I just heard. Okay, I don't know if this was a smart move or not. What y'all think? The customer, instead of going through the insurance company, see I got this out, but I forgot I gotta go get a vacuum cleaner and try to get as much of this glass out as possible. Oh, look what glass I got. The best glass ever, guys. We got a Mopar glass. We ain't get no Derman glass. Yeah, we don't really like to use Derman glass. We use Mopar. So that's going in this car. But what was I saying? Is this a smart move? They didn't bother with the insurance company. I don't know. Some people, their deductible is so high they rather not. And there are some people that rather not even get the insurance company involved. Keep in mind, the car was never stolen. I guess the thieves got in it. Remember I told y'all about the star connectors over here where they tried to, down there, they tried to get in, tamper into the security gateway. I guess they were stopped and couldn't get away with the car. But you have to get in first, so they broke this one right here. So she was able, when she came out of the mall, to just start her car and drive home and then bring it here for us to fix it. So yeah, I thought this it's gonna be a little excessive, but she said no, I'm not even calling Progressive or Geico or whoever. She's gonna take care of herself. I'm hearing a lot of people doing that. They don't want to get the insurance involved, and I don't know how. It might not have been expensive. I don't know what a glass costs. A Mopar glass, that's the best glass right there. And of course my labor, so I don't know what this costs, but it might have been cheaper than her deductible. Who knows? All right, so let me go to the detail and see would they be nice enough to loan you, boy. Ooh, look at all that glass. They vacuum cleaner, because I gotta rig this up a way where I can finagle the glass in here. It's not a straight shot, guys, so you're gonna have to I'm gonna have to remove some things. So it's not a tutorial on how to replace the glass. I'm just going over what I'm doing, all right? But I feel bad for people that have to pay to get this stuff fixed when it's no fault of their own. Freaking car thieves. I hate car thieves. Man, get a job, dude. Don't be walking around vandalizing cars and trying to steal cars. Well, it's not yours. Once you get it started and running, you get caught, you going to jail. Is that really worth it? Right? Well, I mean, it's a scat pack, but who the hell cares? It's a nice car, but who cares? It's not yours. Get a job and buy you one. Damn it. Yeah, so get most of this glass out. Look, this all in the channel, so yeah, you gotta get all that out. So wear some eye protection, guys. This is crazy. Freaking car thieves. Alright, guys. Look at that, I had to go borrow. They didn't like that either, boy. JT, get out of here, man. Always borrowing shit. Like I got a damn vacuum cleaner in my toolbox. Like, where your tools at? Alright, here goes nothing. Hey, look at that, guys. I told you. It's all about finagling. All right, one guy in the shop was saying, you got to take this whole quarter piece off. No, bro. Get that glass down in there and finagle that up through the tracks. Y'all see that? So I got it. Yeah. Now I'm in that part. Yeah. His home city now, baby. I'll show y'all how it look when I'm done. Damn, I'm glad I didn't have to take that quarter piece off. All right, guys, I got more work to do, y'all. Stay tuned. And there you have it, guys. Whoa. So your boy Trim JT, look at that. Oh, I still, no matter how much you clean this out, I still hear a little crunching inside of there with some little small. I lube these channels up, guys. I always lube the channels up. So give it a couple runs. See, I heard another crunch. Some glass somewhere up there. No matter how much you blow. Look, freaking glass still. I'm gonna blow some more. I heard another crunch. I don't want to hear no crunch. So I'm gonna take care of that. But last but not least, guys, never give a customer a car back without cleaning it up. Now, chances are they're not really interested in this Mopar sticker, right? Even though this is top flight glass. I don't know. Maybe if they'd had this on here in the beginning, the thief wouldn't have broke it, because I think the new Mopar glass is unbreakable. Let me stop playing around for y'all, really. Yeah, let's get that off. I need a razor blade. I don't think they interested in freaking Mopar or freaking no car. Whew, I'm glad that didn't fall in there. Once I get it like that, yeah. So I'm gonna get that off. Now I'm gonna go through with y'all what all I gotta do, because they playing this music in the background. I don't want my damn monetizations to be tampered with. Okay, if a video don't make bread, it's worthless. What's the point at that point? So I gotta get all of this Mopar crap off of here. Now, guess what else I got that you got to have? That's right, baby. Ta-da! Mopar glass cleaner, baby. Yeah, man, it's all Mopar around here, baby. Yeah, we only use the best around here. Mopar, no car, baby. Y'all know the saying. Y'all know the drill. Let's get this glass all cleaned up. Guys, I am talking way too much. All right? What I'm I always use a micro, you know, the rag. Not a shop towel, guys. Use one of these. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this up because the music getting louder and louder. Just know you should be using Mopar. All right, that's all I got to go. Thanks for tuning in, guys. It's your boy, JT the Car Guy.